Please welcome Kashmira Sangoi, our guest today. And she is a professional parenting coach and also giving motivation to children to achieve to their fullest strength. So over to Kashmira, and you to tell us about yourself, your activities, your success stories. So please tell us.
Thank you so much. Hello, and first of all, that's what I say. Thank you for creating such a nice platform where you invite and inspire women to showcase their skills and their contribution to society. Coming to me, I, Kashmira Sangoi, am founder of Mind Miracles Academy, a dermatographic consultant, certified psychological counselor, holistic mind development trainer, parenting coach, career consultant, author, and a blogger. Thank you.
I think, Kashmir, you also written one book, right? So can you mention that? Tell us about that also.
Yeah, last year I had co-authored a book, Being Employable.
Great. So from where did you get this motivation to choose this, psychology and parenting coaching and motivational speaker? How did you get this motivation? From whom?
Actually, my passion to enable people meet their core competencies and overcoming their major limitation itself is a big motivator for me. And also being with people having growth mindset and listening inspiring stories of great people motivates me.
So you have chosen this field. So many challenges might have come. How you transform those challenges into, opportunities?
Yeah, my journey was not easy enough because so I have transformed myself from a homemaker to a professional. It is a professional journey. So if I say the inner calling which I met 7 years back, till the age of 35, I was a homemaker. And to reach, I was finally fortunate enough to know my core competencies via this amazing science of dermatographics. It not only helped me to transform myself from a homemaker to an entrepreneur, but has become my primary tool to help others transform their lives. The journey as a simple homemaker with no much technical or professional background and with medications going on since many years, where I can't miss a single dose. The journey wasn't easy enough. Discovering my true calling, my determination, and my belief in self helped me reach the stage where I am.
Really great. So I really appreciate your struggle and your reach to such a level that many, students, parents, and various people are approaching you for your guidance. And also you co-authored book. Really great. Superb. Now tell us about your, success stories. Would you like to share some success stories where you help people and those, of course, you are a successful person yourself coming to this level, but you help people and they are now doing good. So something of that sort, can you tell us?
Yeah. By God's grace, I am fortunate enough to create ample success stories within 7 years of my professional journey. 98% of our 2000 plus clients have found a noticeable change in their lives through my one-to-one consultations. I feel so glad and satisfied when I receive calls and messages from parents and students who share their good results in studies, sports, or some hobbies. And sometimes they happily call to say that they got admission in a good college or got their dream job. I even receive many thanking calls from parents where I have helped them to solve their parenting challenges. With time constraints, I will share 2 success stories in short with you. First is of a child who was in 8th grade in ICSE board, and his parents came for getting clarity in subject for selection in 9th grade. After analyzing his report based on his inborn talents, I suggested him to select subjects related to commerce and later go on to pursue for CA. Recently, that child gave his CA final exams and is confidently waiting for positive results. Also, till now, all exams that he gave for pursuing CA, he cleared them in the first attempt itself. Of course, hard work of that child too plays a crucial role, but showing a right suited destination, milestone, helps the child to reach his goal. Second example is of a student who had completed his 12th boards in commerce and was further confused to choose his right career for himself. After a long research, he and his parents chose to go for BMS. But they were not sure if he can perform well in that field. So after his assessment, I came to know that his innates were not fit to pursue BMS. Instead, I analyzed that career in travel and tourism was something that he can perform very well. Upon my suggestion, he felt much satisfied and finally decided to go for it. 3 years later, he called up to say that he had cleared his IATA exams with higher rank and has got his first job in a reputed tour and travel company. And
Superb.
say that he's very satisfied and happy to choose this field. You won't believe 80% of our clients come through referrals. And these referrals help me extend my services in Germany, US, Dubai, Australia, Singapore, and UK, and also in corporates like HDFC and IDFC.
Superb, superb. So you have really told us some, motivational, stories. So others also will get motivated that if the child gets proper direction, proper guidance, he can definitely excel in his career and life. That's really great of yours. So tell us, what is your, passion? Like what you are, when you're doing something, what you like the most?
The question is very much related to my niche. Nowadays, we hear a lot of motivational speeches, success strategies, and life coaching boils down to one thing, and that is finding your passion. Majorly, people find it tougher to know their passion, their purpose of life, and at times it may take years to discover their unique potential. And in many cases, people live out their whole life without finding it. But what if I say it is as easy finding a new place via Google Maps with the help of a scientific life-changing tool, the neuroscientific evaluation, also known as brain mapping. Any gadget that we buy comes with a user manual. But what about the most powerful gadget, our brain, that has made all these gadgets? Does it come with any manual? Obviously not. And one keeps on going through the trial and error process that steals his precious time, money, and efforts. Except few fortunate ones who are lucky to self-explore their potential. But it again is a lengthy process. In this fast-changing VUCA world, do you think the traditional approach will work for you? May it be regarding finding your passion or any other important areas of life like parenting, career selection, or development in academics, co-curricular activities, or personal, professional, and social life. So my passion is to help students, parents, and professionals adapt a smarter way to overcome these challenges and lead a happier and successful life.
Great, great, superb. So any message you would like to give to our audience?
Message as such, as I repeated, so I don't want to repeat my journey from becoming a homemaker to a professional. So one thing I would like to mention that if you are able to resonate yourself with your frequencies, your core competencies, then you are able to explore yourself in many areas. So if I, at the age of 35, can start a journey, so I believe that everyone can. So it is really it may be, I don't know, but it may be an inspiring journey from many of the homemakers to start, from scratch.
Yes, true. Superb. So what are your, you have to tell us two questions are there now. First question you have to answer, what are your top 3 qualities which made you successful? 3 top qualities of yours, which you feel are important so that you got a success. That is first. So please tell about that first. Then I'll put across another question.
So do you mean my USP?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So one of my quality is the intense training, which I have taken from most experienced trainers that help us in doing precise root cause analysis and helps in giving pinpoint solution to overcome one's weakness and channelize their strengths. Also, our systems are powered by most authentic sources. This combination of this intense learning and our accurate systems and being a lifelong learner helps us to serve and provide much higher value to my clients.
Great. So basically intense training, accurate systems, and in-depth analysis. Great. Superb.
And learning also.
Yeah, and learning. Yeah, keep on learning new things. Yeah, true. And the last but not least, it's an important question. What are your, desires, top 3 desires you want to achieve in next 5 years?
Okay. So as a professional, I intensely wish to bring mass awareness among parents and students about 3 vital things in their life. How easily they can decode their inborn talents, acquired talents, personality, learning style, behavioral traits, best suited extracurricular activities and careers. How easily can you strengthen the parent-child bond via mindful parenting and some important and customized techniques. How easily can you bring about an overall development in your child through fun and play and with some highly effective techniques. So bringing mass awareness and to reach around 5 lakh people within 5 years of span is my topmost wish.
And other 2, other desires? This is your first desire.
Yeah, these are my desires as a professional.
Okay. Fine. So, Kashmira, thank you very much for joining our MYB talk show, and it's really helpful to many parents who may be watching this, your presentation to us, all of us. And it's an eye-opener for each parent that, yes, every child has got some, unique qualities. You have to make them come out and highlight them, inspire them. Definitely they can do good in their career. So thanks a lot once again.
Yeah.
And thank you
my
very
pleasure.
much for joining our, talk show. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, my pleasure.